Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legend, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now you need to choose the General Settings and tap on Languages and Input. Then choose Virtual Keyboard and tap on Keyboard 1. Over here select Theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, you need to tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders by tapping on the switcher and finally click on Apply. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under My Themes instead. Then select photo that you wish to apply as a keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done and manage key borders by tapping on this switcher. Then choose Apply, and as you can see now, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!